Hello, let's get you signed up on your own channel partners platform. Go to www.cogoport.com and on the top bar you can find Partners tab for our channel partners. Select Channel Partners from the options. Now you can click on Sign Up on top right corner to begin the sign up journey. Enter your basic details like name, email address, phone no, and review terms and condition of service. You will then receive an OTP on your phone number. Enter the OTP to verify your contact number. Proceed further. You can see the brief overview of the sign-up process and click Next. Proceed to complete registration. Now you can fill in your company details, starting with the country of registration, upload your company registration certificate, and enter your tax details like PAN or GST number. Select the year your company started in, select if your company is part of any of the following trade bodies, and enter your role in the organization. Now enter the basic details about the company and click on Submit for the next step. Please select which of the following describe your service the best. You can choose more than one. And click on Submit. Now proceed to select your business preference with Cogoport. Here we are selecting both buy and sell services. Now you can select the service that you want to buy or sell over the Channel Partners platform. For these services, please fill out some details like preferred trade lane and volume of trade and upload any previous invoices or documents. Similarly, do the same for buying preferences. And now you can proceed to the next page. Here you can review the terms and conditions, check the box for the same and proceed. Congratulations, you have successfully registered on Cogoport's Channel Partners platform. Select your relevant services so we can better serve you, and click on Submit. You can now proceed to complete your KYC. Thank you for signing up on Cogoport, Global Trade Platform.